Electric powertrains have transformed car design inside and out. No bulky engine or transmission means designers can push the cabin forward, maximizing interior space. Short bonnets and smooth grille-free fronts give EVs a futuristic look. Aerodynamics are key. Flush handles, smooth underbodies, and sleek shapes boost range. Inside, flat floors and no transmission tunnel create spacious, airy cabins. Minimalist interiors and clever storage solutions are now standard. Many EVs offer a front trunk, or frunk, for extra storage. The focus has shifted from mechanical components to passenger comfort and utility. EVs are being reimagined as smart, comfortable living spaces on wheels. The electric revolution is as much about design as it is about technology. The benefits of EVs go far beyond zero tailpipe emissions. Cleaner air in cities means healthier lives and less pollution. The grid is getting greener, making EVs even cleaner over time. Running costs are dramatically lower. Electricity is cheaper than petrol, especially with home charging. Maintenance is minimal. No oil changes, fewer moving parts, and brakes last longer. Government incentives, tax breaks, purchase grants, and congestion charge exemptions sweeten the deal. Company car drivers enjoy big tax savings. EVs are often cheaper to own over time despite higher upfront costs. The case for going electric is compelling. Cleaner, cheaper, and easier to maintain. The transition is about better living, not just better driving. Despite the progress, challenges remain. Upfront costs are still higher than petrol cars, making EVs less accessible for some. The used market is growing, but price parity isn't here yet. Charging is tough for those without off-street parking. Public networks can be inconvenient and patchy. Rural charging black spots persist, making some journeys stressful. Battery production raises environmental and ethical concerns. Mining and recycling need improvement. The electricity grid must adapt to rising demand, requiring smart charging and infrastructure upgrades. These are real, complex issues, but they're being tackled. The electric future isn't perfect, but it's getting closer every day. In 2026, the electric car is no longer if, but when. EVs are now superior in many ways, quieter, smoother, cheaper to run, and better for the air we breathe. Smart design and clever packaging make them more practical and enjoyable. This is more than swapping petrol for batteries. It's a total rethink of the car. Challenges remain, but innovation is relentless. The electric car is driving change in energy, supply chains, and city planning. It's a key part of a larger shift to sustainability. The story of the electric car is one of optimism and ingenuity. We're witnessing a transformation as profound as the Model T. The electric car is paving the way to a cleaner, smarter, and more exciting future. Charging an EV is a new habit, but it's easy. Most people charge at home overnight. Just plug in and wake up to a full battery. Home wall boxes are fast and convenient for daily driving. On longer trips, public chargers fill the gap. Fast chargers are everywhere. Supermarkets, town centers, workplaces. Ultra-fast DC chargers on motorways can add 100+ miles in 20 minutes. Modern EVs offer 250 to 400 miles of range, making long journeys easy with just a quick stop or two. The charging network is growing rapidly, easing range anxiety. Bigger batteries and faster chargers mean EVs fit almost any lifestyle. Charging is becoming as routine as plugging in your phone. The future of refueling is electric, and it's already here. The benefits of electric vehicles are hard to ignore: cleaner air, lower running costs, and a driving experience that feels futuristic. EVs are helping cities breathe easier, cutting down on harmful emissions and making urban environments healthier for everyone. With zero tailpipe emissions, electric cars contribute to cleaner skies and healthier communities. Imagine children playing in parks without the background hum of engines or the worry of air pollution. And as more renewable energy powers our grids, the environmental impact of EVs keeps shrinking. Charging your car at home or at a solar-powered station means your daily commute can be nearly carbon-free. Electricity is not only cleaner, but also cheaper than petrol, and EVs require less maintenance, no oil changes, fewer moving parts, and less wear and tear overall. With fewer parts to replace, repairs are often simpler and less expensive. This means more time on the road and less time in the shop. Plus, Government incentives and tax breaks make switching to electric even more appealing, helping to offset the initial cost and making EVs accessible to more people. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are still some bumps in the road, like higher upfront prices for many models, which can be a barrier for some buyers. Charging infrastructure in rural and remote areas is still catching up, making long-distance travel a challenge in some regions. And as demand for batteries grows, sourcing materials responsibly and ethically is more important than ever. The industry is working to ensure that battery production is sustainable and fair. Battery recycling is also a key part of the puzzle, helping to reduce waste and recover valuable materials for future use. Despite these challenges, the momentum behind electric vehicles is unstoppable. EVs are changing how we think about cars, offering quieter rides, more space, and a driving experience that's both fun and innovative. They're helping us break free from fossil fuels and inspiring us to rethink what personal mobility can look like in a cleaner, greener world. The electric revolution is well underway, reshaping the future of transportation and opening up new possibilities for innovation and sustainability. It's an exciting time to be a car enthusiast or just someone who cares about the planet. The road ahead is cleaner, smarter, and more thrilling than ever before. The future is electric. Are you ready to join the movement? Well, here we are. The world has changed in ways we once only imagined, and the electric revolution is no longer a distant dream. It's our new reality. It's 2026, and the world of cars looks and sounds completely different. The streets are alive with the quiet energy of electric vehicles, transforming the very rhythm of our cities. The low hum of electric motors is replacing the familiar rumble of petrol engines. Instead of exhaust fumes, there's a sense of calm and clarity in the air. Electric cars are everywhere, from sleek city saloons to rugged SUVs and even compact hatchbacks designed for urban life. There's an EV for every lifestyle and every journey. The electric car is now the default choice for families, commuters, and enthusiasts alike. People from all walks of life are embracing this new era of mobility, finding joy in the drive and pride in their choice. Gone are the days of sacrificing range or performance. Today's EVs offer it all. Long road trips, quick acceleration, and smart features are now standard, not exceptions. Every major manufacturer has a full lineup of electric vehicles, packed with cutting-edge tech and performance. The competition is fierce, driving innovation and making EVs more accessible than ever. The conversation has shifted from if you'll get an EV to which one. People are comparing features, colors, and software updates, just like they do with smartphones. Charging at the supermarket is as routine as filling up with petrol once was. Charging points are everywhere, at work, at home, and even at your favorite coffee shop. The quietness of the streets is striking, only broken by the occasional classic petrol car. The city feels cleaner, safer, and more connected than ever before. The car is now a smart device on wheels, integrated into your digital life, planning routes and charging stops, syncing with your calendar, and even helping you find the best places to eat along the way. We're finally living in the future, with electric cars standing as a testament to innovation and a cleaner way to get around. The electric revolution isn't just about cars, it's about a better, brighter world for everyone.